Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to visit one of the most beautiful places here in Langkawi called the Temurun Waterfall. We're going to edit this video a bit later. We're going to tell you what we're going to see today, and we're going to then we're going to show you a little bit on our way there, and eventually just show you there in the waterfall too. E aí galera, tudo bem? Bem-vindo de volta de outro vídeo. Hoje a gente vai visitar um dos cachoeiras mais bonitos aqui em Langkawi, chama o Temurun. E a gente vai depois editar o vídeo aqui um pouquinho para você ver os lugares que eu vou passar indo para a cachoeira e a cachoeira assim. Então vamos nessa, vamos lá. That's the paddy field right there. Such beautiful green scenery. We actually stopped here for a minute because my dad decided to drop out to buy some dog food, because actually at the waterfall there's a lot of small puppies out there and their mom, and they don't have any food, so we decided to pop here up to buy some dog food to give to them. You know, they're hungry, want to give back a little. Então a gente parou aqui para comprar um pouquinho de comida de cachorro e pra dar, porque na cachoeira tem alguns cachorros, né? Os cachorrinhos, e a mãe também tá com fome, não tem comida, então acho que é comprar um pouquinho pra eles. Okay, right now here we're passing by one of the plantations of the rubber trees, or in Brazil also known as seringueira. This is just one of few plantations here in Langkawi. Esse aqui é um das árvores originalmente do Brasil. É dos poucos plantações que tem aqui em Langkawi. So now we're already 25 minutes into the car ride at this point. So in about 5 minutes, we already reached our destination. Just arrived here at Temurun Waterfall, and we're now about to scour all the way to the top for you to have a great view of this place. The fresh air just feels so good here. Aí já chegaram aqui na cachoeira, e agora vai subir agora para você mostrar vocês que legal esse lugar é. O ar fresco aqui também, bonito. Olha aqui o lugar. Agora não dá pra ver muito por causa das árvores, mas agora eu vou filmar lá em cima pra vocês verem. Aqui, que bonito aqui também, né? So here we are climbing all the way to the top of Temurun Waterfall. It's gonna take us about 15 minutes to get all the way to the top, and we didn't really want to show you all the clips that we had. So we edited some out, and here we are climbing all the way to the top, step by step. You gotta be careful with these staircases. They're kind of broken and loosen up. You just gotta be careful when you're making your way up here. Yeah, it's quite.
Posso falar agora?
Fala.
Nós estivemos aqui quando você tinha 3 anos.
É mesmo?
Há 12 anos atrás.
Há 12 anos atrás foi?
Seu pai te carregando aqui, ó, subindo.
É
Você
mesmo?
tá com 15 anos, você lembra?
Eu lembro agora.
He was here. He was only 3 years old.
3 years old, né?
Remember that? 12 years ago. First
Yeah.
time we come up here.
Yeah, I remember.
Now the staircase is in very bad condition.
Yep. But I remember when I was 3 years old. After 15 minutes, we finally reached to the top of the waterfall. We walked quite slowly here due to how slippery the floor was. We didn't expect that many people here,
But we're actually kind of expecting it already because of how many cars there already were in the parking lot.
Aí as crianças ali dando caída, né?
Aí o pessoal local aí tomando banho, isso aqui é a cachoeira do Temurun. Nós temos um total de 4 cachoeiras em Langkawi, essa é uma das maiores e a mais bonita.
É mesmo.
Quando está na época de chuva, a água fica bem mais forte que agora está na época de chuva. É muito legal. Natureza muito bonita.
Nature is beautiful.
There's one more boy over there, you're gonna jump, see?
Yeah.
Só fria da porra, não vou pegar água não, caralho. Daí a gente desce. Esse passo ali pra...
So here it is, guys, one of the best waterfalls to visit here in Langkawi. It's just so majestic to see how so much green and so much nature surrounded around in this place. I really didn't want it to leave. I wanted to stay there for the rest of the day. If you look around, it's just so much nature, so beautiful, so clean around here. And if you're ever gonna visit a place in Langkawi, I highly recommend you come here. It is just to die for.
Majestic as well. Mother Nature is beautiful, man. We're on our way back down now. That was a really beautiful scene there. A lot of nature, a lot of green. I loved it a lot. Apparently we didn't want to take a swim due to how many people were inside and the coldness of the water. So yeah, we also didn't bring any bathing suits or anything. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of how beautiful this place is and how majestic Mother Nature can really be here. Então chegamos onde eles começaram. Subiu lá em cima para ver a cachoeira. Foi tão lindo, tanto verde, tantas árvores. Glória a Deus, a gente chegou aqui hoje para filmar para vocês esse lugar bonito, esse lugar cheio de natureza. E agora está descendo aqui para falar para vocês aí como foram. We are back. Hi. How was here?
Tudo bem?
Tudo bem? You missed everything. It was so beautiful up there.
I see the video is okay.
You see the video okay?
Unless Pepe have to carry Popola up.
Uh,
Have to buy the backpack like that to carry Popola.
if only they sell the size for Popola.
Yeah. The chair you carry at the back.
Despite staying there for about only 10 minutes, it felt like hours. It was just so amazing to see how fresh the air was and how it was surrounded by so many trees and so much nature around you. And when we got down, we got a bit hungry, so we ended up buying 2 cup noodles and a coffee just to kill our appetite.
Vegetarian, okay, Pepe? This boy here, YouTuber, they're gonna promote your ni.
Promote you.
Ini.
And just to let you know, if you guys ever wanted to buy something when you're coming here, I recommend this guy. He was just really friendly to us, and they just really showed a lot of love to us as well. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, I said that we bought some dog food to give to the dogs around here. And on our way back, we saw this dog here looking quite hungry, looking for food, so we gave him some of our food. I didn't know where the kids were. I think they were hiding somewhere. But at least we gave the mother some food so he can breastfeed the children. From the looks of it, this dog looked like it just gave birth. Now after all that, we drove about 10 minutes away to get some food as we were all still pretty hungry even though we had the cup noodles. So my mom mentioned that we should go have some of the best rojak and pasubo we can find around here in Langkawi.
Alright guys, after a long and tired day today, we have decided to stop here, have some delicious pasimbo and some rojak and some refreshing coconut water here. And this will be it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to say thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And before we go, here is a great view of the beach and of the ocean. Look at that beautiful that there. Paradise 101 Island. A nice beautiful island to go and have fun. We may make a video of there someday. We'll see. So thank you guys for watching. I love you all and have a damn good day.